It looks serious.
We'll need to open up the joint.
Well, you can clearly see the fracture and joint wear and tear.
Modern medicine is powerful. X-rays, MRI scans, ultrasound. Today's technology can see right inside our bodies, providing pinpoint assessment and accurate diagnosis. In the asset maintenance business, imagine having the power to see right inside plant and process equipment. The power to diagnose problems accurately and come up with a cure. What needs to be repaired or replaced and when. Think how much time and money could be saved. Stork can reduce your valve maintenance costs by up to 60%. Control valve integrity is critical to maintaining the efficiency and safety of production. If a valve fails or becomes unreliable, the plant may have to shut down, resulting in increased costs and decreased income.
5 to 10% of valves cause 90% of valve-related problems. But which valves are the problem?
And like people, the health of a control valve is often related to age. The older it gets, the more treatment it needs, and more repairs mean more costs.
Overhauling every valve is not an option. During shutdowns, more valves are often overhauled than necessary, just to be on the safe side. This wastes time and resources and still doesn't ensure the right valves have been remedied. How do you know where to target treatment? Are you spending your maintenance budget wisely? Stork's latest innovation has the power to diagnose the health of your valves accurately. Like an X-ray, but without the radiation, Stork's Valve Diagnostics solution reveals the condition of a valve without having to open it up.
Stork solution has 3 steps: assess, inspect, repair.
Firstly, a Stork valve engineer works with the customer's maintenance team to assess which valve should be examined. Stork's mobile test bench is then deployed on site, capable of testing any pneumatic control valve from any manufacturer. Sensors are placed onto the valve, attached to a computer, and diagnostic inspection begins. The information generated is entered into Stork's Iris data system, which enables comparison of the valve's condition with a database of previous reports on a specific valve overhaul. A diagnosis document is produced, which details the integrity of the valve and delivers a set of valve fingerprints, together with analysis and maintenance advice.
Stork's valve diagnostic equipment is able to identify 4 key conditions. The valve is in good health and no further action is required. The valve is okay but needs tuning. The valve requires some treatment, a minimum service which can be carried out on site, or the valve is critically frail and requires an urgent service off-site.
After diagnosis, only the damaged valves need to be overhauled or repaired by Stork's valve specialists.
The benefits of Stork's Valve Diagnostics solution are clear. No unnecessary overhauls. Focus only on the valves that need repairing. Improved spare part management. Less dismounting, less scaffolding, less cranes, less isolation, less cleaning. Less work means less risk. And fewer repairs reduces the risk of valves being damaged in transit.
All these benefits add up to a major cost saving on valve maintenance.
Future maintenance is also optimized. Without having to wait decades to gather reliable data on failure rates, you can skip preventative maintenance and apply predictive maintenance right away.
X-rays enable doctors to see the invisible, to diagnose conditions and predict outcomes.
With Valve Diagnostics, maintenance teams can get under the skin of plant and equipment to diagnose which valves require treatment and when.
Stork are experts in asset integrity. Our new Valve Diagnostics capability is a fast and flexible solution that delivers improved asset integrity, clearer maintenance predictability, and a more efficient use of your maintenance budget. Stork gives you the power to predict which valves need overhauled and when, making your production smoother, cheaper, and safer.